NSO Health Survey Changing Health Behavior. Hello, students. Welcome to EduRev. Let's begin with an important development related to India's health sector. Recently, the National Statistical Office, or NSO, released its latest health survey, and the findings are quite interesting. India is showing a clear improvement in health seeking behavior. Now, what does that mean? It simply means that more people are now willing to report illness and seek medical care when needed. For example, in rural areas, the percentage of people reporting ailments has increased from 6.8% to 12.2%. In urban areas, it has gone up from 9.1% to 14.9%. This is not a negative sign. It actually reflects better awareness and access to healthcare. Another major improvement is in health insurance coverage. In rural India, coverage has increased from around 13% to over 45%. At the same time, institutional deliveries, that is, childbirths taking place in hospitals, have reached very high levels, crossing 95% in most areas. Now let's understand one important term: out of pocket expenditure, or OOPE. This refers to the money individuals spend directly from their own pockets for healthcare services. The report shows that in many public health facilities, this cost is either very low or even zero for basic care. This indicates better accessibility and affordability of public health care. So, why is this important for UPSC? Because this topic connects directly with GS Paper 2, Health and Governance, and GS Paper 3, Human Development. Understanding such data helps you write strong, evidence-based answers in mains. That's all for this topic. Let's move ahead. To learn more, download the EduRev app. Thank you.